Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we are going to discuss our first chapter, which is computer languages. So what is the meaning of the word languages? As we know, a language is a medium to express our views and feelings. Human beings use many different languages like Hindi, English, Urdu, Chinese, etc. In same manner, computer also have its own language, which is known as programming language. So today we will discuss about the programming language. Programming language of a computer. A programming language is a computer language that is used by the programmers to develop applications, scripts, or other set of instructions for a computer to execute. As we know, computer need instructions to do any work, so we give instructions in the form of programming languages. Programming languages of computer. The programming languages are divided into two categories. First one is low level language. Second one is high level language. Low level programming language. Low level language is a programming language that deals with the computer's hardware, components, and constraints. There are two types of low level programming languages. First one is machine language, which is also known as first generation language, and the second one is assembly language, which is also known as second generation of language. Machine language. Machine language is a programming language that can be directly understood by a computer without interpretation. Now this is a important point. What is the meaning of interpretation? Interpretation is a translator that is used to convert a high level programming language into machine language. So an interpreter works as a translator in our computer system. It is also referred to machine code or object code, which is represented inside the computer by string of binary digit 0 and 1. I would like to tell you that computer understand only machine language, and the machine language is considered as 0 and 1. Assembly language. Assembly language was developed to overcome the inconveniences that were faced in the machine language. It is an important language in which operations, codes, and operands are represented in the form of alphanumeric symbols instead of 0 and 1. As I said, machine language use 0 and 1, but the assembly language use alphanumeric symbol instead of 0 and 1. These alphanumeric symbols are known as mnemonic codes. And have maximum up to 5 letters combinations. For example, add for addition, sub for subtraction, and we can say MUL for multiplication and DIV for division, etc. The instruction of the assembly language are converted to machine codes by language translator to be executed by the computer. Level computer language. High level have further three categories which are known as third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. Third generation languages. It include simple programming language which were made using simple commands. These commands were made of simple user understandable symbol and word. Example C and C++. C and C++ are examples of third generation of language. Fourth generation. A fourth generation language is a grouping of programming language that attempts to get closer to human language from the thinking of and conceptualization. These languages are designed to reduce the overall time, efforts and cost software development. Programming language of a computer. Fifth generation language. Fifth generation programming language is programming language based around solving problem using constraints given to the program rather than using algorithm written by a programmer. It is designed to make the computer solving a given problem without the programmer thus trying to implement artificial intelligence. So it means the fifth generation of languages are under process. Developers are trying to make a language which can work, which can implement itself without any programmer. So these are all the languages. So some important points of this chapter are: the first point is the machine language is only the language that a computer can understand directly, and all the other languages, second generation languages, third generation languages, fourth generation languages and fifth generation languages, these all languages are required to translate. If we works on all these languages, then we need a translator that can translate these languages to machine language. Now we have two translator. The first one is interpreter, and second is compiler. We have two translator. First one is interpreter and second one is compiler. Now what is the difference between them? So the interpreter and compiler both are used to translate the languages into machine language, but the translator translate a high level programming language into low level programming language line by line, while the compiler translate a high level language to low level language whole program at once. This is the main difference between compiler and interpreter. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.